Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to science class. Today we will continue chapter 8 of your science book, that is cell structure and functions. In previous class we learned about cell and also learned about the discovery of cells. Students, till now we learned that cells are the basic units of life. All the living things are made up of cells. Just as a house is made up of bricks, in the same way, a living organism is also made up of cells. Thus, cells are the basic building blocks of plants and animals. A baby, a banyan tree, and a bacterium look very different from one another, but they all are made up of tiny cells. Our nose, skin, muscles, and bones are made up of cells. Similar cells together form tissues. Do you know what are tissues? A group of similar cells that carry out the same functions are called tissues. So, these tissues join together to form organs. Different organs come together to make the organ system. The different organ systems, such as respiratory system, nervous system, digestive system, etc., together form an organism. The proper functioning of all the organ systems makes an organism fit and healthy. Now let's know about classification of cells. Cells are broadly classified into two major types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. This is a typical prokaryotic cell and this is a eukaryotic cell. Let's know about these cells. Prokaryotic cells. The name prokaryotic helps us to know its structure. The term pro means primitive and the term karyon means nucleus. So, these cells have a primitive type of nucleus. It means these cells do not have a proper well-defined nucleus. Here the nuclear material is floating or scattered in the cytoplasm. Can you see the thread-like structures scattered in the cytoplasm? This is nothing but the genetic material called nucleoid. It has strands of DNA and RNA, but it lacks the membrane called nuclear membrane. So, due to lack of nuclear membrane, the nuclear material floats in the cytoplasm. The organelles are also not membrane bound in prokaryotic cells. The organisms made of prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes. Bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotes. Now let's know about eukaryotic cells. The term eu means true and karyon means nucleus. So the cell having well-organized nucleus is called eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cells, the nuclear material is bounded by a nuclear membrane. As compared to prokaryotic cell, in eukaryotic cells, the nuclear material is not in direct contact with the cytoplasm due to the presence of nuclear membrane. In eukaryotic cell, we can see many membrane-bound organelles. The organisms made of eukaryotic cells are eukaryotes. All the organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae are eukaryotes. It means plants, animals, fungi, and protozoa, etc. all are eukaryotes. Amoeba is also a eukaryote because it has a distinct nucleus which is bounded by a nuclear membrane. A human being, a lion, tiger, dog, cat, birds, etc. are all eukaryotes.